WeChat tutorial. How to clear storage on WeChat. If you're a WeChat user and you've noticed that your app is taking up more space than you'd like, don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily clear storage on WeChat to free up some valuable space. Whether you're running low on storage or just want to tidy up your app, this guide is perfect for you. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you've got WeChat open on your device. Once you're in the app, simply go to the Me tab, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now simply tap on Settings. From there, simply go to General. This will open up more options for your app. Now in the General settings, look for the Storage option. Tap on it and this will show you a breakdown of how much storage WeChat is using. Simply, you can find various datas like chats, photos, videos, and more. If you've been using WeChat for a while, this could be quite a lot. To clear up some space, simply tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files and cache data that are taking up unnecessary space. Don't worry, this won't delete your chat history or anything important. If you want to go a step further, you can also manage your chat history. You can choose to delete specific conversations or clear all your chat history. Just be careful as deleting chats is permanent. And that's it, you've successfully cleared storage on WeChat.